इसके अंदर दो तीन कंपोनेंट्स है इस इशू के अंदर. इसके अंदर देयर इज़ एन इशू ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर, देयर इज़ एन इशू ऑफ certain people who have done forgotten to log out from their machine. So जितने भी ये सारे issues हैं, we are looking into them. We are also coordinating with NIC who have developed this software, and very soon we will come up with a solution for this. जो भी लॉगिन आईडी जो है जो मशीन्स पे है उनका जो अकाउंट है दैट इज लिंक्ड टू अ गवर्नमेंट बैंक अकाउंट, सो दैट मनी द फाइन विच इज बीइंग कलेक्टेड इट is going to government. But if there is any instance where that money is not being sent to government but is being sent to private account, and if it is brought to our notice, then we will take necessary action.
Okay.
Goa is one of the leading tourist destination of India, and the idea of Goa Traffic Police is that whoever comes to Goa is able to enjoy but in a safe manner. Therefore हमारी repeating briefings के अंदर there is stress upon that minimum possible inconvenience should be caused to any tourist, while ensuring that the law of the land is properly enforced.